I will be speaking Croatian today. Poštovana pravobraniteljice, htio bih za početak samo konstatirati što je to transparentnost u Europskoj uniji, kako sam ja iskusio. Punopravni sam član odbora ENVI, odbora za okoliš i imali smo priliku pogledati te famozne ugovore koji još uvijek nisu objavljeni. Međutim, nismo smjeli nikom ništa pričati, nismo smjeli slikati, kopirati, skenirati, ništa. Dakle, mi kao zastupnici su dovedeni u poziciju da nas se ponižava i zapravo sustav nas ismijava na taj način. Sada kad je izašlo ovo sa SMS-ovima, što je tragično, gnusno i nemam uopće riječi, prvo SMS kao nekakav neformalni, neozbiljan oblik komunikacije, a drugo, ne mogu se naći, mislim to je nevjerojatno. Nastavila se ta priča sa ismijavanjem i ponižavanjem javnosti u smislu, evo ja sam predsjednica komisije, moji prijatelji su direktori velikih farmaceutskih kompanija, moj suprug eto ima pozadinu u tim kompanijama, sa tim kompanijama, ja sam moćna, a vi građani nam ne možete baš ništa. Što se tiče mog pitanja, spomenuli ste da istražujete EMU, dakle zanima me do koje mjere istražujete funkcioniranje te agencije. Dobio sam informacije u obliku indicija da inicijalne studije na temelju kojih su odobrena neka od cjepiva nisu napravljene u skladu sa stručnim kriterijima, pa tako na primjer da su prekinute prerano, odnosno da je došlo do miješanja testne skupine i placebo skupine kako bi se izgubio trag. Dakle, do koje dubine detalja idete u istraživanju EME? Hvala vam.
Thank you for those questions. In relation to the digital pass, obviously if there was a complaint that had an administrative angle to it, and that was within my mandate, I could perhaps deal with it, but a lot of what you have talked about is in the political domain, whether it's in the Council, the Member States, or so on. I mean, I know this is an issue that has exercised a lot of people, and I think your committee, Madam, is dealing with fundamental rights issues as part of that. And I know that other countries, including, I think, Croatia and Sweden, have also looked at this as part of their examination of how their respective countries handled the crisis, or in the case of the Croatian ombudsperson at the time, I think she was getting a lot of complaints in relation to that. So that is something that I think is going to have to play out in the political arena. But if there is an administrative angle, if there is one of the institutions that has breached an administrative rule or principle, then it is theoretically something that I could deal with if I were to get a complaint. The contracts not seen, yes, it always fascinates me when MEPs tell me about that they're allowed to go into a room and look at documents, but not write down anything about them. And I'm never quite clear what they're supposed to do with that knowledge. You go in, you look, but you don't tell. And I know there is a great deal of disquiet generally among Parliament about at a certain point you can see so far, but no further. But again, that is in the political domain. In relation to clinical trials, again, I mean, we have done a lot of work in the past with EMA and with the transparency of clinical trials. Again, if there is a suspicion or a report that something has been done incorrectly, of course, once EMA has dealt with it, and if that reply isn't sufficient, then, of course, you are always welcome to come to us to see whether there is a way in for us. Thank you.